Alright guys, so we have a freezer. It's Kenmore Frigidaire made, and the issue with this, it is freezing, but things are a little bit moist, not totally solid. So instead of 0, it's around 5 or so, and not totally freezing. So you're gonna have a series of screws, Phillips. These, by the way, are longer, so keep that in mind, those ones. And then you're going to have 3 screws at the base. If you notice that your piece here is bulging, pushing out, go ahead and pull the unit or pull this cover out. Slowly unplug the unit and slowly be mindful of your thermostat, so you can just slide this to the side. And that's your fan. Make sure your fan is turning freely. And if you listen, if you had ice, you would hear it hitting ice, so that's not the problem. Moving on down here, we have a whole layer of ice, solid. Sometimes, once it's melted enough, you can just lift it out, but we might have to use the steamer on it. That's your defrost thermostat, and that governs how long the heater stays on. That's your heater, and that melts the ice. So what's causing this? Your drain tube has something in it, debris, whatever. So when the unit goes into defrost, it melts the condensate water and it should go down the drain tube. Now, if this is not dealt with, what will happen, your fan sucks air off of here and from your food at the bottom here, brings it up, the air gets cooled and it gets blown up top and recirculating back into your freezer. When this is covered over and the fan is trying to pull air from under here, you have a iceberg blocking your air from being pulled under. So the result is your freezer does not get as cold as it should. So we're going to use your steamer and we're going to break this up and get it out the way. All right, so let's get started. Look at that, solid is, we need this. This is part of your drain. It catches anything from falling. So if this gets clogged or stuff gets down in the hole, it's still frozen. We gotta clear this out. Wow, you could kill somebody with this, look at that. A surprise for you. See your drain. All right, we'll dry up with a towel. We just unclogged the drain. Drain is flowing. Now, if you wanted to add a little bit of water to verify, you can, but you had it's all gone. So, and some ice you had in there. So yeah, we're looking good. We'll put this back. Cover. That stays there. It should fit right in there. There you go. All right. Put your cover back and seal it up. All right, guys, we're all done now. So just make sure that you get your screws back in. These are the longer screws. Get your pad in, all that good stuff. Those are longer screws. Make sure the drain is nice and clear. You can also pour a little bit of water. Make sure it flows. Do your wipe out and put your trays. Turn the unit back on. Your thermostat should not have to be on the highest setting in case. And that's how you do that. All right. Thanks for watching.